eating. I'm drinking water. Healthy food. Okay. Today, we're going to talk about, today we're talking about, how guys, no, hilarious. I just laughed.
And her rat bit me. I have rabies, folks. Rabies.
It's not a rat. It's a hamster named
Spanky. From Africa. From Africa.
Or Canada, one of them. The rat from Canada. That's pretty cool. From New York. Because they have more, right? Okay. Cucumber.
Fell in the toilet. Trash can.
Okay, so, today we're going to talk about how guys hurt girls because they're stupid. I'm going to go get naked real quick. Oh, that hurt. Go.
Go. I can't get naked with you standing in the way.
No, go. Go. Okay, we're going to pause this for a second. So, where'd you pause that? No, you messed up. Okay, well...